It's a beautiful, beautiful morning. After I prepare my kids to go to school, I always come back and admire all this artwork from God, and it really makes me so very happy to start my day. As you can all see, this is very beautiful. It's always beautiful to start my day by making my eyes see the beautiful things that this world always have for us. My flower is getting full each and every day, and it is getting more beautiful and better. There is no better way to start my day than admiring my beautiful kitchen garden, which is always blossoming every day after the rains. It has really saved me a lot of work of watering my plants every morning and every evening, because it is very tiring and time consuming. So I'm so grateful to God for this. I love doing organic farming, purely using manure, because I really avoid to use a lot of chemicals on my plants, which can cause a lot of harm in my body. So this is what I love doing every day. Today I want to do vegetable pancakes in the morning for breakfast, and I want to get some onions. I want to get some onions from my little garden here. This is what I'm going to use to cook my vegetable. You can see they are doing very well. They are called leek onions. I'm going to use their leaves to cook the pancakes. It really saves you and me a lot of time when you have a little kitchen garden where you can pluck all these little things and you eat them fresh. There we go. I'll also collect some 2 eggs here to cook my pancakes, you can see. And the cook here is very alert. This is what I enjoy every morning. Birds coming to my compound. It is picking up a grass to go and make its house, you will see, guys. They all come running to me because they want some feeds. So I start by feeding them before I go to make my breakfast. So this is what I'm gonna do first. I start by feeding my animals before I take my breakfast. That's the first thing I also do before I go to prepare breakfast.